Hi, Wayne here. I want to go over how to download the Trade Copier software so you can link up to my account and take trades when I take trades. So first of all, you need to go over to fxblue.com. Now, FXBlue is similar to MyFXBook, where you're able to sync up your account, where it will show you your history, all your trades, your percentage and growth, and so forth. But we're mainly interested right now in downloading the TradeMirror. So the first thing you're going to need to do is create an FXBlue Live account. So you click on that. And then, since you don't already have one, you're going to have to go over here to register with an FXBlue Live without uploading. So you click on that, and then you're able to decide, put whatever user ID in you want, whatever password. Make sure you write those down because you're going to need those later. And then put your email address in, and then agree to terms and conditions, and then hit register. What you're going to do is you're going to receive a text message on your phone from FXBlue. It's going to say FXBlue verification. Please send an email to, and it's going to give you a number at verify.fxblue.com. So then you go over to your email. Okay, you compose an email, and then you send it to that address, and in the subject just put verify, in the letter head where it says subject, you could put verify. In the actual body you could put hello. You just need to send it. Okay, then you're going to receive this email from FXBlue Live. You're going to click on this link here that verifies that your account, and you can click on it, and it will take you to the FXBlue account and say you are registered. Okay. Then you need to go over here to the TradeMirror, and then you're going to have to log in and register, and then hit continue. It'll take you to this page where you can log in. And then you'll get to this page, and what you're going to do is you want to hit receiver, because you're going to be receiving the signals, and you want to download the receiver EA for MT4. So you'll click on that, and then you'll get a download. Now, before you download it, you're going to want to make sure that you close any of your MT4 platforms. So I would want to close these if I was actually going to download this right now. You also want to disable your antivirus, okay, for 10 minutes, because it's not going to let you download it if you have your antivirus in. So you can just go to your antivirus, disable for 10 minutes, and that will allow you to download the software. Okay, once you get it downloaded, it will take you to probably some type of zip file, and you'll see it in here. FXBlue receiver. Okay, FXBlue personal, we want the receiver. Okay, they have a trade copier too, where it lets you copy trades on your own computer from one platform to another platform, but you want the mirror receiver. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and then it'll give you a PDF file if you want it. It will also give you this link here. So you will click on it, and this will automatically install it into all your MT platforms. You won't have to do that individually. Let's see, did I disable this for 10 minutes? Okay. So once that's disabled, then you should be able to click on this, and it should take you to this FXBlue Mirror receiver. And this will show you all the MT4 platforms you have on your computer, and you can decide which ones you want to install it on. You can either click on one and hit install, or you can select all and install them on all. Okay, it's up to you, whichever one you want it on. And then you would hit install, and it will automatically put it into that platform. Then you would just have to load the platform back onto your computer. And you should see something like this. FX Blue Internet Mirror Receiver 7.27. We'll tell you how to connect it to my computer. But then if you right click, you click on Expert Advisors, Properties, it will take you to the inputs. Okay, thing you're going to need is the channel. Okay, you're going to need to put my channel in from my computer, and I'll give you that number. And then you're going to have to put in your login when you sign up to FX Blue and your password. Okay, so those things have to go in up here where it says channel, username, and password. The next thing you're going to need to look at, and mainly the settings, ones you're going to need to really be concerned with would be the lot size. Okay, if you want to trade with different lot sizes. So let's go here. Okay, now the default is, and I'll try to take you through here, and I'm no mathematician, but I can try to show you what they're saying, and you can read this in the PFD file too, as far as what these different lot settings do. You could leave it on default if you like. The first one is used fixed lot size. Okay, that means no matter what size I'm trading, if you set it to 0.001, that's what it's going to trade from your account. Okay, or 0.10 if I'm trading standard lots, 1.0 on your account, it's only going to trade 0.01. Okay, so everything else would be 0 here, and use fixed lot size you would put in if you want to, okay, trade a dime, okay, or if you want to trade a dollar a pip, or if you want to trade $5 a pip. Okay, you just put in there your use fixed lot size. It will automatically trade that lot size no matter what mine is set at. Okay, at default, it's set at 1.0 risk factor. Okay, that means it's going to copy what I have, but it will depend on your account size what it's going to trade. So let's take a look at that, where it's, let's take these one at a time. Okay, we talked about trading the fixed lot size, okay, where you can trade at whatever lot size you want. Now, if you're trading the same lot size as me, or a multiple, then you're going to use this lot risk multiplier. Okay, and there you can see this here, okay, is the lot risk multiplier. Now, what that means is, as a value of 1, it's going to receive the exactly same lot size as I have. So if I have 0.1, yours is going to receive 0.1. But if you change that to 0.5, it's only going to trade half of the lot size that I'm trading. If you set it to 3, it's going to set 3 times more than the lot size that I have. Okay, so that's just multiplying whatever lot size or decreasing the lot size that I have. So that's what that means. Okay, if you look at the next one, trading the same relative lot size based on relative equity, okay, you can trade the same relative lot size as me using the risk factor perimeter and turning off the other modes. Okay, a value of 1, okay, which is what the default is, okay, means that in this case the lot size is going to be adjusted between the sender and receiver based on your equity in your account converted to US dollars on both sides. So an example, if I have an equity of $5,000, okay, and I'm trading 0.20 lots, $2 a pip, then you're going to trade $1 a pip if your equity is only half of that, $2,500. So it's going to adjust according to the risk factor. So if you leave that at default 1.0, it's automatically going to adjust to your size. What you might want to do is use the fixed lot size, where you can set it to whatever you want to set it to. So it doesn't matter what mine's set at, it's going to trade on that risk. Now there's some other settings here you can use as well. You can set it based on the account equity or balance. So if you want a fixed lot size on your end, based on your equity or balance, ignoring my lot size, then you can use the equity per lot or balance per lot. Okay, then there's also minimum cash risk. Okay, cash risk fixed, where you can specify fixed cash amount to risk per trade, 100 hours per trade. That's all. If it goes past that, it will close down. Or if you want to risk 2% or a certain balance of your account, those settings are there too. So if you want to risk a certain, like 2% of your account, then it will open up a trade that would be 2% of your account. So these are just some different settings. You can go through them and see what's best for you. You can either leave it at default and it will automatically adjust, or fixed lot size would be probably the two that I would be most interested in. Okay, you just have to make sure that you have it loaded on one chart. Okay, doesn't matter which chart, and then no matter what trade that I open up, it's going to open up on your account. If I change the stop loss, it's going to change on your account. If I get out of the trade, it's going to get out of the trade on your account as well. So you really don't have to do a thing except to have it loaded on a chart, and I don't think it matters the time frame or the chart, and just on one, and just have your platform up and running. So it takes the trades, and that's pretty much it. So I hope that explains it. If you have some questions or you're having a real difficult time, maybe we can get together on TeamViewer and I could help you load it up. But that's basically how it works, and we're going to test this thing out and see how it goes for a while. We'll try it next week, and hopefully we can have some successful trades. So until then, if you have any questions, let me know. This is Wayne signing off.